Today we will review one product which is the hair dryer coming from the company Lifelong. So let us unpack the product. Amazon has given the product, delivered the product very quickly. Okay. Amazon receipt, and this is actually the hair dryer product with packing. It is written Lifelong hair dryer, easy to carry, powerful drying, 2 speed functions. And see what specification they have written on the pack. Product name hair dryer, color is black, wattage 1000 watt, warranty 1 year, and MRP 999 rupees. But I got the product from Amazon at very low price, that is 642 only. Now try to unveil the product. Yes, they have sent the product with a good packaging. This is the product, you see. With the product they have sent one Lifelong hair dryer LLPCW02 manual. You can read this manual for better operation, to understand the better operation, and one 6-month extended warranty card. It is written that enjoy extended 6 months warranty card when you write the product review and take a snapshot and send through WhatsApp. Okay, now go to the actual product review. You see, very lightweight, very small hair dryer. You can carry the product with you anywhere when you travel, and it has foldable options. You can fold the product, unfold the product, and you see it has 2. 0 is the off position, 1 is the first speed, 2 is the second speed. That means you will get 2 speed options, and it has one concentrator. You see, this is the concentrator which can concentrate the airflow at a particular direction. And opposite side of the concentrator, you see there is a honeycomb inlet. That means when the air will pass through this honeycomb inlet, your hair will not get tangled. And it is coming with the option that is a hook. After use it, you can hang the product very easily. And they have given one cord with this, and this is 1.8 meter long. That means you can, after inserting the plug into the socket, you will get about 1.8 meter radius for your easy and quick hairstyle option. It is actually 1000 watt hair dryer for a gentle blow hair drying, which leaves your hair very shiny and smooth. And the design is very compact. You see, design is very compact and ergonomic, lightweight and foldable hair dryer. Okay, without wasting time, we will operate the product after inserting into the socket. Okay, I have inserted the socket into the, you see, it is operating. It is a 0 position, you see. That means it is off. It is off condition. Now the first small. Okay, this hot air is coming. Instantly hot air is coming, and after that second switch, very hot air is coming, and it will be very good for your use. You can carry with this product very easily with you. Okay, thank you for watching, and throw like button if you like the product, like the review. Thank you.